Hare Krishna. Ganga Stotram, verse number 8. Parilasadange punyatarange Jaya Jaya Jannavi Karunapange Indramukudamani Rajita Charane Sukhate Shubhate Sevaka Sharane. Parilasadange, Parilasat, illuminating. Your holy water are illuminating this world, Mother. Parilasadange, Punya Tarange, your waves are so pure and it is so purifying. Jaya Jaya Jannavi Karuna Pange, victory to you, O Mother Jannavi. Karuna Pange, your form, your water is another form of mercy. Jaya Jaya Jannavi Karuna Pange, Indra Mukuta Mani Rajita Charane. Indra Mukuta Mani. Indra Mukuta. Indra means the Lord Indra, the King of Heaven. Lord Indra. Mukuta Mani. Mukuta means a crown. So Indra Mukuta Mani Rajita Charane. Demigods like Indra and many other demigods pay obeisances to Mother Ganga. So when they are paying obeisances, their crowns are touching on the floor and below Mother Ganga's lotus feet. So when that is seen, just like a ruby in a golden ring, just with all these golden crowns paying obeisances to Mother Ganga, the demigods, they are bowed down before Mother Ganga's lotus feet. So Mother Ganga's lotus feet is shining in the middle of their crown. Indra Mukuta Mani Rajita, it's a shining. Charane. Sukhate, you are also giving happiness to devotees. Sukhate. Shubhate, you are also giving auspiciousness to your devotees. Sukhate, Shubhate, you are auspicious personified. You are giving happiness. Sukhate, Shubhate, Sevaka Sharane, you are also giving shelter or taking care your dependent devotees. Parilasadange punyatarange Jaya Jaya Jannavi Karuna Pange Indra Mukuta Mani Rajita Charane Sukhade Shubhate Sevaka Sharane. Gangamaya ki jai.